Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the dial-in country default for your GoTo Meetings? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the dial-in country anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing meetings through GoTo, sometimes you're going to have customers in other countries and they're going to dial in by a phone number. And if it's in a different country, they're not going to show up an international long distance call. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo Meeting account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoTo account and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that any meetings that you've already set up or organized, you can't change the country call-in number, but you can set up the default for any future meetings that you're going to set up. So for example, on this meeting right here, you can see that for some reason it pulled up Colombia, but let's say my customers are in the US. In order to change the country dial-in phone number, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see another menu here to the left and you want to click on this button here, meetings. Once you click on meetings, it's going to open up a few other options and you want to click on this button, attendee options. Okay guys, so here is where you can go ahead and set up the dial-in country. So you can see right here, it's set up as United States. So if you want to change the default, go ahead and just X that out and then click in here into this box. And then you're going to go ahead and just type in the name of the country. So let's say Denmark. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and check Denmark. And as you can see, it's going to show this little black star. So now when we set up any new meetings in my GoTo Meeting account, the country dial-in number is going to be set up for a Denmark phone number. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the default dial-in country for your GoTo Meetings, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.